All right, let's talk about how you can sum up hours and minutes within Excel. So here we just have a very basic timesheet for our employees. We have the time they punched in, the time they punched out, and then back in and back out, accounting for their break in between this time. So we want to calculate two things. We want to calculate the total hours for each employee, but we also want to know the total hours combined that all 5 employees worked. So the first step we would do is we would do equals, parenthesis, we'll take the time out minus the first time in. So that's going to take 1:30 p.m. minus 8 a.m. and give us a time. Then we'll hit plus, we want to add the second time in and time out slot, which would be 3:45 p.m. minus 2 p.m. and parenthesis. Now when we hit enter, we get 7:15 a.m. or you might get a number like this. So we need to tell Excel how we want this to be formatted. So we'll highlight this range or group of cells, go to the home ribbon under number, select more number formats, and this little box will appear with this option to format cells. Under number, go to custom, and here we'll just delete general and type H semicolon MM, and then we'll go ahead and hit OK. So now we can see that the total hours for employee 1 this particular day were 7 hours and 15 minutes. Now we can double click the square in this bottom right corner or click and drag that down to get the total hours for each employee. Now we can see that employee 5 worked 8 hours and 57 minutes. Now if we wanted the total amount of hours here, we could do an equals sum function and select this range of cells. Now when we hit enter, we'll get 13 hours and 42 minutes, which just doing some simple math, we can see, hey, that's not right at all. Because if we do 7 plus 5, that's already 12 hours. So why are the rest of these not being accounted for? And if we go into our formatting here, we can see, well, hey, it's in the H semicolon MM format like we had set here, but what we need to do is simply put a bracket in front of the H and after the H, like so. Once you have the brackets there, you can go ahead and hit OK, and you notice that will automatically update. And if we do some quick math, we know that that is around 37 hours. And there you have it. That's how you can sum up hours and minutes within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button on your way out. Thank you. And just have such a great rest of your day.